Hello, my name is Kelly Biddle and I am from tuitionisskyrocketing.com. I'm here to talk about St. Olaf's tuition over the past 5 years and what it will look like when I'm a freshman now and what it will look like when I'm a senior. So let's look at the facts, shall we? As you can see, this is just the tuition fee, not counting board or room fees. So in this light blue block, line, the year 2004 to 2005 is represented, and tuition cost $25,150. If we go to the orange line next, this is representing the year 2005 to 2006, and the tuition went up to $26,500. And okay, so the difference between the blue column and the orange column is $1,350. Then we go to this kind of puke color column. It's representing the year 2006 to 2007, and the tuition fee was $28,200. The difference between the orange column and the puke color column was $1,700. Then we go to the purple column that's representing the year 2007 to 2008. The tuition fee costs $3,600. The difference between the puke color and the purple column is $2,400. Now going to this year, 2008 to 2009, the tuition was $34,300. The difference between the purple column and the blue column is $3,700. That is the highest tuition has raised over the past 5 years. The overall increase over the past 5 years has been $2,287. Using that, I have taken this year's tuition, added $2,287 to it, and I have come up with, for the year 2009 to 2010, the tuition would be $36,587. Well, that's kind of exact, but it will probably be close. And then for the year 2010 to 2011, the tuition will be $38,874. And then going to my senior year, hopefully, from the year 2011 to 2012, the tuition will be $41,161. And that is what I see paying for my senior year. Okay, now that I've gone over the tuition, now let's go over room and board that is added to the tuition to do the overall cost of each year. As you can see, the total of room and board costs have gone up over the years. The average amount that has gone up is $610. So, okay, since I've bored you with enough numbers, I'm going to bore you with some more. Okay, for next year, the year 2009 and to 2010, I used last year's tuition, only counting the tuition, and it's $34,300. Then I added in the average increase of tuition, which is $2,300, and then I added the average cost of room and board, and that's $6,700, and then I added the average increase of room and board, which is $600, and I got a total of $43,900. Well, that's just an estimation of what next year's total cost is going to be. And then I did that for all 3 years until my senior year. And so I did last year's tuition, average increase in tuition, average cost of room and board, average increase of room and board, and I got a total of $46,100 for the year 2010 to 2011. And then for 2011 to 2012, I did the same thing. Last year's tuition, increase in tuition, cost of room and board, and average increase of room and board. And that total will be $48,400. So by the time I'm a senior, I'm probably going to be in a pretty big debt. My kind JC Kate Helmick. Let me interview her for this movie that I'm doing. Okay, so your freshman year, you paid about $37,000, correct?
Yes.
Sophomore year, you paid $40,000.
Yes.
And then this year, you're paying about $42,000.
Yes.
Okay. And then, how much are you willing to pay for next year, your senior year?
Probably no more than about 44,000 in that ballpark. So, because I know it's going to keep increasing, so I'm kind of accepting of that, but at the same time, I want to finish and be able to pay my loans off in a good amount of time. So,
That's really smart of you to be thinking about the future. Okay, so looking at all these numbers, do you think that your education is worth that?
yes.
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 Okay. So you're saying that a St. Olaf education, no matter, well, if it's the average a year is less than $44,000, is worth going?
Yes.
Okay.
I do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm with Anna Bajin, and I'm going to ask her some tuition questions. Okay, so your freshman year this year, you paid around $42,000, correct?
Yep.
Okay. Now, looking ahead, you're probably going to be paying about $43,000 next year,
All right.
and then the next year $46,000, and your senior year, hopefully, like I'm hoping, it will be $48,000.
Shoot, that's a lot.
Wait, really? Yes, it will be. Okay.
Man.
So, do you think this education is worth it?
Yeah, I think it's worth it. I didn't mean to pause on that. I do think it's worth it, for sure. This is a really good school. But above 50, I don't think so.
No.
Over on this side.
Shoot.
Keep going.
Okay, so you say this is a good school and it's worth $48,000, but not 50. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'd have to, 50 is pretty pricey.
It is.
Yeah.
But yes, this is a pretty good school. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Bill. Thanks.
Hi, so I'm here with Lauren Schmitz, and so you're a freshman this year, and you're paying around $42,000, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and then next year you're going to be paying around $43,000, right? So based on like the increase in the cost, how much do you think you'll be paying your junior year?
I would guess around 45,000.
$45,000. And how about your senior year?
Probably like 47,000.
$47,000. That's pretty close. You're only off by a couple thousand, but that's okay. For my calculations, which I did earlier by doing this, for our junior year, we'll be paying. You said 45.
Yeah.
45,000. I calculated 46,000. So you might have to, yeah. And then for our senior year, you said 47.
Yes.
Yes, and I calculated 48, so I'm kind of hoping that your calculations are better than mine, because then we would both have to pay less, and that'd be awesome. But, yeah, we might have to get some loans or grants or something like that. Okay, so, according to this information, do you think your St. Olaf education is worth all of it?
Yeah, I think it's worth it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, this was Lauren Schmitz saying St. Olaf. It's worth it! Knowing this information, what point will tuition stop increasing? Or will it?